The AI Revolutionaries, unleashing the power of artificial intelligence in the stock market. Welcome back to AI Revolutionaries, the channel that explores the limitless potential of artificial intelligence. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of the stock market, exploring how AI is revolutionizing trading strategies and enabling investors to earn substantial profits. Join us as we uncover the key ways in which AI is transforming the stock market landscape and how you can leverage this technology to maximize your investment returns. Over the years, Wall Street, the renowned epicenter of the stock market, has undergone significant transformations driven by advancements in technology and the growing influence of artificial intelligence, AI. As one of the most iconic financial districts in the world, Wall Street has adapted to new market dynamics and embraced innovative AI-driven solutions to enhance trading strategies, improve decision-making processes, and optimize investment outcomes. The integration of AI in the stock market on Wall Street has not only revolutionized trading practices, but has also sparked a paradigm shift in the way investors approach decision-making. Traditionally, investment decisions relied heavily on human intuition and analysis. However, with the advent of AI, a new era has dawned, where data-driven insights and predictive analytics play a pivotal role in shaping investment strategies. AI algorithms are capable of processing and analyzing vast amounts of financial data in real time, identifying patterns, and making predictions with remarkable accuracy. This enables traders and investors to make more informed decisions, identify market trends, and seize profitable opportunities. The speed and efficiency at which AI algorithms can analyze data far surpasses human capabilities, giving investors a competitive edge in the fast-paced world of finance. Understanding the basics of AI in stock market. Before we delve into the details, it's essential to understand what AI brings to the table in the stock market. Artificial intelligence, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and learn from historical trends, has the potential to make more informed investment decisions compared to traditional methods. It can analyze market trends, company data, news sentiment, social media, and much more in real time, providing valuable insights to investors. Machine learning and predictive analysis. One of the primary applications of AI in the stock market is machine learning, a subset of AI that allows algorithms to learn from historical data and make predictions. By analyzing past market trends, machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and predict future price movements with a higher degree of accuracy. This enables investors to make more informed decisions and take advantage of profitable opportunities. Sentiment analysis and news monitoring. AI can also analyze news sentiment and monitor social media platforms to gauge public opinion about certain stocks or companies. By analyzing the sentiment of news articles, tweets, and other sources, AI algorithms can provide real-time insights into market sentiment. This information can be invaluable for investors, as sentiment analysis can help predict market reactions and identify potential investment opportunities. Algorithmic trading and high-frequency trading. AI has revolutionized the concept of algorithmic trading, where trading decisions are made by computers based on predefined rules. These algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, execute trades at high speeds, and react to market conditions instantaneously. High-frequency trading, a subset of algorithmic trading, leverages AI to execute multiple trades within fractions of a second, taking advantage of small price discrepancies. This high-speed trading can lead to significant profits for those who implement it effectively. Risk management and portfolio optimization. AI can also play a crucial role in risk management and portfolio optimization. By analyzing various factors such as historical data, market volatility, and risk tolerance, AI algorithms can suggest optimal portfolio allocations. They can also continuously monitor and adjust portfolios based on market conditions, ensuring investment strategies remain aligned with an investor's goals and risk appetite. AI companies active on the stock market. 1. Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas is an AI-powered fintech company that provides real-time market scanning and pattern recognition tools for active traders. Their machine learning algorithms analyze historical market data to identify patterns and generate trading ideas. With their intuitive software platform, traders can access a wide range of market data, including stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Trade Ideas' innovative approach to trading has gained popularity among both individual investors and institutional traders. 2. Kavout. Kavout is another AI-driven company that focuses on quantitative investment research. Their platform leverages machine learning and big data analytics to analyze market data and generate investment insights. Kavout's AI algorithms can evaluate thousands of stocks and identify patterns that may indicate potential market trends or investment opportunities. Their technology combines technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentiment analysis to provide traders with comprehensive and actionable information. 3. Citadel. Citadel is a leading global financial institution that is at the forefront of algorithmic trading. They have developed sophisticated AI-powered trading strategies that enable them to make faster and more informed investment decisions. Citadel's advanced algorithms analyze vast amounts of market data in real time, allowing them to identify and exploit market inefficiencies. Their success in algorithmic trading has made them one of the most prominent players in the industry. 4. 2 Sigma. 2 Sigma is another prominent player in algorithmic trading and quantitative investing. Their team of data scientists and engineers develop cutting-edge AI algorithms that analyze market data to uncover patterns and generate trading signals. 2 Sigma's algorithms are designed to adapt to changing market conditions and exploit investment opportunities across various asset classes. Their success in using AI for trading has made them a major player in the financial industry. 5. Kensho. Kensho, now a part of S&P Global, is a company that specializes in AI-driven analytics and data visualization for financial institutions. Their platform uses natural language processing and machine learning to extract insights from unstructured data sources, such as news articles, research reports, and regulatory filings. Kensho's AI technology helps financial firms with risk management, predictive modeling, and portfolio optimization. By leveraging AI, Kensho enables financial professionals to make more informed investment decisions and manage risk more effectively. These companies are just a few examples of how AI is revolutionizing the stock market. With the power of AI and machine learning, these companies are able to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and generate insights that can inform trading strategies and investment decisions. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative AI applications in the financial industry, opening up new possibilities for investors and traders alike. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration of AI's role in the stock market, it is evident that the potential for AI-powered trading strategies is immense. From machine learning and predictive analysis to sentiment analysis and algorithmic trading, AI is transforming the way investors approach the stock market. By leveraging AI technologies, investors can make more informed decisions, mitigate risks, and potentially earn substantial profits. Join us next time as we continue to unravel the wonders of AI. Remember to like, subscribe, and share our channel, AI Revolutionaries. Until next time, happy investing. Disclaimer: the information presented in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions.